Currently, GAFIC's Vaccine Alliance finances 80% of Ghana's vaccine procurement, with the Ghanaian government covering the remaining 20%, as GAFIC supports only low-income countries. It plans to withdraw funding due to Ghana's middle-income status, requiring the government to fully finance vaccine procurement. Hope for Future Generation, in collaboration with traditional and religious leaders, health professionals, academics, and other groups, is advocating for increased domestic resources, mobilization, and expand immunization coverage. Executive Director for Hope for Future Generation, Cecilia Senna, has urged government to commit to meeting the country's vaccine needs, stressing the importance of sustaining immunization efforts to prevent a rise in child mortality rates.
Government is not just governing, but the future of your people you are governing is important. If this country is unable to secure the vaccine for children because the donor has hesitated, that means that we have failed the future generations. And we don't hope that this will happen. Our expectation is that the advocacy that we are doing, we are not doing it for ourselves, but we are doing it for people who cannot speak. And people need to talk for them. And so if the government doesn't listen to what we are doing, then we will see what will happen. But I hope that they are listening to us because they've been able to respond to a number of things. We are still engaging them, so we hope they will continue supporting this important advocacy. That is the role of civil society, and we are doing our best. When people are looking for vote, whatever you say, they accept it, they agree. So they've all accepted, they agree that it's a very good policy brief. What we have to do is, after the election, because the promises that they have made, many of them have included, they say they will include it in their, and then they also signed a number of documents. Immediately we finish the election and we know who is going to run the country, we'll start the engagement and make sure that they really go according to what they promised that they would do, and that's what we'll be doing. So we are monitoring a lot of things. It's not just one. We have a number of targeted activities that we are using to address it.
The group is calling for increased government commitment and strategic partnership, aiming to protect the health and well-being of Ghana's youngest and most vulnerable population. Rejoice Semifa's report read to you.